Your journey to inner peace starts here. Say these words with me. Your subconscious mind is listening right now, and with every affirmation, your mind and body are aligning with calm, healing, and deep rest. My body is calm and relaxed. My body is calm and relaxed. I release all stress from today. I release all stress from today. I welcome deep, healing rest. I welcome deep, healing rest. Each breath brings me peace. Each breath brings me peace. My mind clears as I drift to sleep. My mind clears as I drift to sleep. Healing energy restores me overnight. Healing energy restores me overnight. I wake refreshed and renewed. I wake refreshed and renewed. The words you've spoken are now alive within you. Stress is melting away. Your body is restoring itself, and peace surrounds you completely. Remember, healing energy is with you in every breath and every moment.